Understanding Kinco HMI recipes can feel like deciphering a secret code if you're new to automation. Recipes, in this context, refer to pre-configured datasets that a machine can cook into different outputs. They simplify complex processes. Imagine you're operating a bakery machine that makes a dozen different bread types. Instead of re-entering all parameters every time you switch bread types, you simply select a saved recipe. That's where Kinco HMI recipes shine. Time saved, productivity enhanced. Let's start with creating recipes in Kinco HMI. First, you'll need to open the Kinco HMIware software. It's the go-to tool for designing HMI projects. If you don't already have it installed, download it from the Kinco website. It's free. Inside HMIware, look for the Recipe option under the Data Settings tab. This is where you'll build your recipe database. Think of this database as the brain of your machine, storing all the configurations you'll need later. Start simple. Here's the next step. Define your recipe variables. These are the parameters that will be altered: temperature, timing, motor speed, etc. Create tags for each of them in your software and keep the naming clear and intuitive. Messy tags become a pain later. Once the variable tags are ready, you can define specific sets of data for each recipe. For example, recipe A might set your machine to 180 degrees Fahrenheit and run a conveyor belt for 5 minutes, while recipe B adjusts both. Customize for each need. Now comes the fun part, linking your HMI screen design to the recipes. Add a recipe display widget to your HMI screen. This allows users to view, select, and even edit recipes directly from the physical interface. Usability skyrockets with this feature. Think about scenarios where this has huge impact. Say you're managing a manufacturing line. Instead of recalibrating machines line by line, workers can switch recipes in under 10 seconds. Multiply that by 10 shifts a week, and the time savings add up. A pain point many face is accidentally overwriting recipes on the HMI. Here's a pro tip. Always enable backup options in HMIware. You can export recipes as CSV files and restore them if something goes haywire. Trust me, it will save your day. Another hack for advanced users: use password protection for recipe editing. Nothing throws a wrench in production faster than an untrained hand tweaking delicate parameters. Kinco HMI allows you to lock these options behind user permissions. Top customization tip: add a confirmation pop-up before applying new recipes. Trust me, you don't want an operator accidentally selecting the wrong recipe and wasting an entire production run. This small step avoids big mistakes. Once everything's set, testing is your safety net. Load a test recipe onto your HMI and run the machine in simulation mode. It's far better to troubleshoot potential kinks here than during live operation. Real-world downtime is productivity's arch nemesis. And that's about it. Recipes are a game changer for efficiency and accuracy in automation. Whether you're handling bread or bolts, once you've mastered creating and using recipes in Kinco HMI, you'll wonder how you worked without them.